Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Toss the chicken wings with the seasoning. Add the chicken wings onto the baking rack. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Flip the chicken wings and bake for an additional 20 minutes or until the skin is crispy. 3 August 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
165 degrees Fahrenheit. For an accurate reading, insert the meat thermometer into the thickest area of the wing, being careful to avoid the bone. If the wings are below the minimum safe internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, return to the oven or submerge again in the hot oil. 21 February 2017.
Take our lead.
When mixed with salt and coated on chicken, it dries out the skin, leaving it crisp and crunchy. It happens because the addition of the baking powder raises the pH level in the chicken, allowing the peptide bonds in the skin to break down, thus letting the skin get more crisp and brown. 27 June 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How to bake chicken breast. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Toss the chicken breasts with olive oil, herbs, and spices per recipe below. Lightly grease a baking dish or pan so the chicken breasts don't stick. Baked chicken breasts for 22 to 26 minutes or until they reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Rest them before you slice or pull them. The 2nd of October 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.